Quality teaching and learning materials, such as engaging, age-appropriate animations, are a valuable tool for mother tongue language acquisition and foundational literacy skills. Digitization can help make story content more accessible, so that learning new words and using them to ask and answer questions is possible for all language learners in and out of the classroom. The USAID Read With Me project provided more than 1.3 million age-appropriate reading books to primary schools in Tajikistan, reaching more than 665,000 learners. These materials were provided in a range of formats, including the traditional hard copy, braille, large print, and read-alouds shown on TV with sign language, as well as digital formats including audio, animations, and mobile applications. The USAID Learn Together activity in Tajikistan is continuing this work to support early grade teachers to build foundational literacy skills by increasing access to learning materials such as print or digitized animations. Learning new words and using them to understand a story and express ideas is an important part of language acquisition and foundational literacy skills, which can help children increase their vocabulary and comprehension in their mother tongue, and transfer foundational reading skills to acquire additional languages more easily.